Alright, now you've set your playground with Python or an online IDE. Now, how do you actually connect the powerful brains like AI brains like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? Well, you need a key. Well, not a key for your house, not a key for your bike, but an API key. Think of an API key like a secret password that lets your AI agent talk to other apps and services. No key, no entry. So, key in hand, welcome to the AI magic. Now, alright, so API stands for AI Application Programming Interface. But don't worry about the fancy name. Here's the easy version. Imagine your AI agent is a kid who wants to borrow books from the library. The library won't give books to just anyone. You need the library card. The library card proves you're allowed to borrow books. That API is like that library card. It proves your agent is allowed to use service, whether that's ChatGPT, a weather app, or a joke database. So there are three reasons many services use API keys. Security. So only you and the random strangers can use your account. Tracking. To count how many requests your agent is making. Limits. To make sure free users don't use unlimited resources. It's kind of like a Netflix account. Without your login, anyone could watch for free. With your login, Netflix knows who's watching and how much. Same idea with API keys. So, different services give you a different keys. Some are popular ones for AI agents like OpenAI, ChatGPT for brains, Anthropometric, Claude for safe and thoughtful agents, Google AI Studio, Gemini for brains that also understand images. Fun APIs like weather, Pokemon, or jokes. Let's take OpenAI as an example, since most agents start there. Here's how you can get one. Go to create an account. Go to platform.openai.com. Sign up with your email or Google account. Go to API keys. Once logged in, click on your profile. View API keys. Click generate new secret key. Copy it somewhere safely. Store it safely. Don't treat it like your password. Don't post it online. Don't share screenshots while the key is visible. Save it up in notes apps or a secret file on your computer. So, now your API keys are free with limits. Some are paid. Free keys, limited number of requests, like 50 to 100 per month. Great for learning and small projects. Paid keys, you build on usage, like 1,000 words, like per 1,000 words generated, needed for big projects, or if you want advanced models like GPT-4 or GPT-5. Tip: as a teen, stick with free APIs at first. They're enough for practice and learning. Later, if you build something bigger, you can ask your parents about upgrading. Here's what your AI agent can do when you give it an API key. Weather agent uses the weather API key to tell you if you need an umbrella. Pokemon agent uses the Pokemon AI API to get stats and moves. JokeBot uses a joke API to send you a random joke daily. ChatGPT's agent uses OpenAI API key to answer homework questions and write stories. See, the API key is literally the unlock button for all the superpowers. So, safety tips. One serious note: API keys are private. If you share them publicly, like on YouTube, Discord, or GitHub, strangers could use your key. You could get charged if it's a paid key. Your account could get locked. So treat your API key like a toothbrush. Don't share it, don't lose it, and definitely don't let strangers use it. What we'll do in this lesson? In this lesson, you'll create your very own OpenAI account with parent or guardian help if needed. Generate an API key, save it in a safe place, test it with a simple script. It's like sending your first message to ChatGPT from Python or Replit. By the end, you will have your very own secret key that unlocks the world to AI. So now you have got your very first API key. Think of it like your VIP pass in the AI world. With this, you can connect your AI agents to brains, tools, and apps all over the internet. Next up, we'll actually use this API key in code so your agent can talk to GPT and start thinking on its own. Get ready, because this is where the real magic begins. Bye!